Okay. What is it, Griffin? You finished the rest.
Let's see what Griffin got.
Grimlock.
Oh, no way, Griffin. That's awesome.
Griffin, do your Grimlock impression.
Me Grimlock.
Show the camera. What did the girls get?
I don't know. Cupcakes?
It's like the pizza game, but they're cupcakes.
Do that again. Do it again, Griffin.
Me Grimlock.
Is Grimlock your favorite?
Yeah. Look, he gets a fire sword.
A fire sword?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Wow, you guys. You guys got a whole lot of presents.
That's awesome. I love these.
Okay, all three kids, say thank you to all the people that love you that sent you presents.
Thank you.
Say love you.
Love you.
And Merry Christmas.